Can you see who shared your Snapchat story? Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video we are going to discuss whether or not we can see if someone basically shares our Snapchat story, so make sure to watch the video till the end. So if you went ahead and then opened up the Snapchat application here, and then you made sure to tap the profile icon, you had happened to upload your story, you want to know if someone shared your story. Can you actually find out those? Well, unfortunately on Snapchat it is not possible for users to know if someone shares their Snapchat story with anyone. The user would not receive any kind of notifications if their Snapchat story is being sent or shared with someone else. However, there is a way by which user can actually restrict some people in order to not share your story. Now you won't be told on Snapchat that somebody has shared the story and is currently talking about it with some other friends. Hope this helps. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.